I mean, there's a lot of different stats around how mortgage or mortgage technology ROI, how it's not necessarily they're not seeing like a lower cost per funded loan. But I mean, what has your experience been like? How significant has that like reduction been for you guys?
It honestly has been huge. I took a step back out of management in 2021 to take a year off after having a baby during COVID. And when I came back to VanDyk in 2022, it was one of the first things that they gave to me and said, here's AI Underwriter. We want you to work with Lender Toolkit and see what we can do with it. In those first 12 months that we were working on building out AI Underwriter to work for us, we were experiencing a heavy mass load coming in from investors who finally had time to audit files and go through files. And there were so many repurchases that were coming our way over, income calculation, or you missed this piece of documentation. Homebuyer education certs on home ready and home passable loans. We know that that's something you have to have
Right.
for those most generally. And missing that in a file causes a repurchase or an unsellable loan, which adds up to tens of thousands of dollars. So with that, that's where we really dove into AI Underwriter is to look at not just how we could create this space for our underwriters, but prevent issues on the backside. And I think that that's probably the greatest savings that we've seen is less repurchases, less errors, less unsellable loans.